Yo, what's up? It's Dave Gambrell from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gambrell. Today, I want to share with you a really amazing tool. You've probably seen it. You've probably seen the ads on Instagram or maybe TikTok or something. It's called Opus Clip, and it has been on my list of things to check out for a really long time. I do not know why I waited because this thing is insanely awesome, and I want to make sure you know about it today. And also because they have a really amazing deal that's happening for a short period of time. So if you want to jump on it, you want to do it today. So here's what Opus Clip does. Basically, you take long form video. So if you do this would actually be a decent example, this video I'm doing right now. If you do a talking head type video, maybe with screen share or something like that, you take that video, you pop the link. I'll do a quick demo for you in a second, but you pop the link in. What it'll do is that it will then cut out clips of that video and it'll rearrange them in the formats that you want. So if you want the tall, like 9:16 version that you see here on the screen, it will do that. It will automatically caption them. If you want to add B-roll or you want to add a voiceover, like with a powerful hook or something like that, you could do that as well. And literally all you do is paste a link from a video and it will do all this for you. And then there's an editor that you can go in and play around with so that you can change it and do whatever you need to. To be honest, the clips that I've done so far, they're about 95% locked on right out of the gate. All I had to do was edit one or two things. The captions are really good. Maybe I wanted to add a B-roll, or maybe I had like a logo or something I wanted to pop in at the beginning or the end. Other than that, it was pretty ready to go right out of the box. So here's the example. Okay, let me find this little thing here. If I can, here, let me move my face out of the way. I had this video on YouTube, right? And it's, yeah, right, talking head type video, just like that. Okay. And then I ended up doing a screen share. And what I did was I took this link, I went over to Opus Clip. Once you log in, get your account. By the way, you can get an account for free and try it. You get 90 credits. All you do is you paste the link to the video right here. Okay. So if you already have it posted on Zoom or some other place, Loom, YouTube, wherever, it lists a bunch of places here. Or if you want to upload it directly from your computer or from Google Drive, you do that. And then you just click this button. That's it. That's all I did. Okay. And what I'm about to show you was then created for me. So let me go to my home page here. Oh, this is where you'll see the results. Okay, so this took maybe 2 minutes for this to happen, 3 minutes for it to happen in the background. But what it did was it created all of these videos for me. And you'll see in this case, because it was a screen share, some of them where I wasn't sharing my screen, it just showed me like this. But some of them, it showed the actual screen share. So I want to show you this example here. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear the audio in this broadcast. Hopefully you can. But here is one of the examples they gave me. And all I did was click on this play button and look at it. And then I went back and did something called add B-roll, which I'll talk about in a second. But here's what it created. Let's see if I can make the big version of it. See, it added that B-roll for me automatically. The captions are in there automatically. The way it split the screen and took my face from the corner of the screen and put it underneath and then put the screen share on top and put the captions in between. Really crazy. So this is a minute long. And then if you want to go in and edit it, what you could do is you can do all these things here. So you'll see there's an AI hook. You can enhance the speech. You can add B-roll, which is what I did. And the B-roll was the picture of that phone that popped in there, that iPhone. But you'll see another one pop in here real quick. Watch. So you see when I said download right there and it like zoomed in on that computer and showed like stuff going on the computer. I didn't do that. That's called B-roll. It's just kind of footage that accents the video. All that was done by Opus. I clicked the button that said add B-roll, and it added those two things for me. Now, it did it from an AI perspective, but I could have given it more instructions. I could have put a prompt in there. I could have done some other stuff. This was literally just kind of right out of the box, what I'm showing you right now. So that is what Opus Clip can do for you. It is really an amazing tool. You'll see here I got, I think, 13 clips out of this, I don't know, 20-minute video. And like I said, they're about 95% ready to go right out of the gate. I didn't have to do a whole lot with it. But if you want, you can go in and edit it. It has a really robust editor. You can do all this other cool stuff to it. And what I wanted to let you know is right now, if you decide you want to pay for it, you can actually get their pro plan. If you pay annually, you can get it for less than the starter plan. All right, so if you want to pay for a whole year up front, and you'll see all the stuff that you get here. If you just go to gambrel.com/opusclip, wherever you happen to be watching this, I'll put that. Yes, it's my affiliate link because I do as I teach you. But at gamble.com/Opus Clip, you can get access to the special deal where you can get access to the pro account. Again, paid annually will be less than the starter account paid monthly. I don't know where else they're offering this. I don't know how long they're offering this, but if you have any kind of video, if you want to be expanding your presence on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, things like that, if you want to take content they already have and be able to easily repurpose it, I do not know why you wouldn't do this. It'll save you hours. I mean, I think it's what, less than $175, $174, right? Total billed annually. And you're going to save hours and hours and hours of time and be able to repurpose stuff and get a bigger footprint out there, be able to grow your audience, grow your email list, grow your income, and grow your impact with a very amazing tool like this. So again, gamble.com/Opus Clip, go check it out and jump on this pro deal before it's gone. See ya.